Shani and I'm back again with a new chapter. जो हमारा लास्ट चैप्टर था वो था योगा फॉर इम्यूनिटी। तो आज का भी जो चैप्टर है वो काफी ज्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाला है क्योंकि आप उससे काफी ज्यादा रिलेट कर पाएंगे। तो आज का जो चैप्टर है वो है योगा फॉर स्ट्रेस रिलीफ। सो इन द करंट सिचुएशन and even otherwise we all go through this problem that is called stress. If you go to work or even if you don't go to work, whatever be your profession, we all go through stress. We all face this issue in our lives. So I am going to show you 5 to 6 yoga practice that will help you to reduce stress and also it is very good for your overall well-being. So इसमें मैंने asanas, body twist और meditation include किया है. So let's get started with the practice.
तो जो पहला पॉस्चर हम लोग प्रैक्टिस करने वाले हैं वो है द डाउनवर्ड डॉग पॉस्चर। अपने हाथों को और लेग को ऐसे स्ट्रेच करते हुए यू हैव टू मेक अ माउंटेन लाइक पॉस्चर। कॉन्स्टेंटली लुक टुवर्ड्स योर नेवल एंड फील द स्ट्रेच टू योर एंटायर बॉडी। होल्ड इट फॉर 10 काउंट्स। Each asana we are going to practice today, you have to hold for 10 counts each. Now slowly come to the child's pose. This is also a very beneficial posture for stress relief. Hold the child's pose, Shashankasana, for 10 counts. Normal breathing, inhale and exhale normally. Now moving ahead with the Trikonasana. For that, widen your legs completely. Twist your left foot towards 90 degree. Take your left hand to the left ankle. Raise your right hand up and constantly you have to look towards your right hand. Again you have to hold this for 10 counts and we'll have to repeat the same thing on the opposite side. So do not forget to repeat it on the opposite side. Twisting your right foot towards 90 degree. Take your right hand to your right ankle. Raise your left hand up and constantly you have to look towards the left palm. Hold it for 10 counts again and come back and release your hands. Now the next one is the seated twist. You have to take your right hand to the left knee and your left hand will be at the back. So it has to be in line with your hip. Okay, so keep your left hand at the back. Take your right hand to the left knee. Take your left hand at the back. Now slowly you have to twist towards the left side and hold this for 10 counts here. Constantly look back and hold it. Now we are going to repeat the same thing on the opposite side. The rule is again the same. Take your right hand and place it at the back like this. It has to be in line with your hips, your legs. Now slowly take your left hand to the right knee and twist yourself towards the right side. Look constantly towards the right side. Feel the twist and come back after holding it for 10 counts. Now it's time to do some breathing practice. So you have to take 10 deep breathe in and breathe out. So inhale and exhale. Relax yourself completely. Inhale and exhale. As you inhale, take all the positive energy from the environment in and exhale out all the stress, negativity, tension and tiredness out of your body. Inhale deeply, relax as you exhale. Inhale the positive, exhale all your stress, tension and negativity out of the body. And slowly start concentrating at the center of your eyebrows and we'll start with the silent meditation and you have to do it for 3 minutes. We are going to do the silent meditation for 3 minutes by focusing at the center of the eyebrows.
So I'm already feeling so much energetic and so relaxed. तो ये जो प्रैक्टिस है, ये जो मैंने आपको आज का प्रैक्टिस दिखाया है, ये आप अपने रेगुलर प्रैक्टिस पे इंक्लूड करें। आप जब नेक्स्ट प्रैक्टिस करेंगे ये सारे आसनास आप प्रैक्टिस करें। अगर आपको कोई भी डाउट हो तो यू कैन राइट इट बिलो इन द कमेंट बॉक्स। सो द नेक्स्ट एपिसोड इज गोइंग टू बी सुपर इंटरेस्टिंग, क्योंकि जो नेक्स्ट एपिसोड है वो है योगा फॉर बैक पेन only at bodyandstrength.com. So for more such entertaining and fitness related videos, keep following and keep watching bodyandstrength.com, and do not forget to follow me in Instagram. It is fit_and_fact, fit in fact, Tani Bhattacharjee, for your daily dose of motivation. So see you all in my next episode. Bye bye. Namaste.